Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahia Akter. First of all, I'm so sorry because I should have submitted my presentation by last Friday, but due to some unavoidable circumstance, I couldn't shoot the video then. I'm extremely sorry. Anyway, let's jump into today's topic. Today, I'm gonna talk about a very important topic: how we can learn English through internet, and I will focus on four different sections of English: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So first of all, for speaking, we have a huge opportunities to speak with speakers. We can download some apps from Play Store to practice with native speaker, or we also can make some local friends to practice with them. We can use WhatsApp platform, Messenger platform, or via phone call. Using all that platform, we can talk with our friends. And if I talk about listening part, yes, we have to listen a lot. People can download some audiobooks, audio clips, movies, songs. They can hear that and get improved in their listening skill. And for reading skill, we can download some PDF books from Play Store. We can read them and we can learn a lot of vocabulary and phrases. But I think there are no alternative to real books. But the students who cannot afford much expensive books like me, they can get PDF books to get improved in their reading skill. And last of all, for the writing part, we have to write a lot. We have to practice a lot. We can write a story, or we can write article, or we can write whatever in our mind. We can write every single incident which happens with us every day. So we can write all that, but for doing that, we have to have a great vocabulary and idioms and phrases stores in our mind. And to get all these, we can watch movies and TV series. And we can write any new phrases or new vocabulary if we find during watching TV series. But we have to know the right way of watching TV series. If we watch them once and we don't pay attention later, then we will not able to get improved. So yeah, that's all about my today's topic. I told the fourth section differently. Thanks for having patience. Thanks for hearing me.